Hi everyone, my name is Stacy Badke and I live in Vermilion, South Dakota. I am a school counselor here in Vermilion and I have been an elementary school counselor for the past 4 years. And this next upcoming year, I have decided to move up to our high school. I was a high school counselor in Marshall, Minnesota for 3 years before this, so I currently have 7 years of experience in counseling. I'm excited to move up to the high school as that's where I officially started, and I'm just excited to get back up there. I did enjoy working with the little kids, but I am just ready to start something new and have a new adventure. Some things that I am looking forward to in this class are learning and educating myself on more tools that I can use within the counseling field. I feel like sometimes us counselors aren't aware of all the tools that we can use within our program. And this is my third class now in this grad program. And the first two classes, I learned a lot about the different things that you can use just within Google. I wasn't aware of those things before, but just learning the things in Google as well as up and coming apps and just different ideas that I can share with my staff members too. That's another thing that I'm looking forward to, is being able to share the different ideas and things that I learn with my staff members to keep them up to date as well. So I am excited about this class. I am a little nervous about how much work there is involved in these next 4 weeks, but I am excited and I can't wait to get started.